Okay, today uh, myself Bhavana, I am working as an assistant professor in CSC and AIML in St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I want to discuss about data mining. Okay, let us see data. Before that, we know about data and mining. Data means it is a raw fact. Okay, raw fact. What is the raw fact? Here, collection of information. And coming to mining, mining means what? Extracting the things. What you are extracting here? Data or information or knowledge. Coming to definition here, data mining refers to extracting by extracting information or knowledge from large set of data, and it is the process of mining knowledge from large data sets. Large data set here means we can data is in the number of data. Data is large data set. Okay, here data mining refers extracting or from where we can extract the data from large data set. For example, here customer purchase data I take here as an example. In customer purchase data, for example, in grocery, okay, in groceries customer purchase data is there. Okay, what data will be there? What type of material he can purchase, like butter or bread, or frequently purchased data. By using this technique, data mining technique, we can we can analyze the customer purchase data. Okay, next one, why data mining? Okay, why data mining? What is the purpose of data mining? Nowadays, based on the technology, data are growing from terabyte to petabyte. So because of this information, we can using data mining. And next one, data collection and data availability. Based on that data collection and data availability, we can automated data collection tools and database systems and web-based and computerized society. Okay, next one, these are the major sources of abundant data. Okay, in business we can use web, e-commerce and transaction stock. Okay, in business, if you have in e-commerce data, by using data mining, we can analyze the we can mining the data about customer data. And coming to transactions, we have in a lot of transactions are going in nowadays, lot of transactions. Let us take one example. In e-commerce or Amazon, let us take one example, Amazon. In Amazon, what we do, transactions every day customers purchase one toy or like that. And stock, coming to stock, in if you have stock, closing price and opening price depend based on that particular data, we can mine that data. And coming to science, in science, remote sensing, bioinformatics, by using data mining in remote sensing and bioinformatics also there. And society and everyone, we have nowadays YouTube uploaded videos and the download videos. By using data mining, it will helpful. And digital camera, coming to digital camera, we can digital that we can upload the pics and we can take the pics uh, from data. Okay, next one, advantages. Coming to advantages, advantages of data mining. What are the advantages? First one, easy to analyze huge data at one go. Okay, we can analyze the data by using data mining. We can analyze the data, that is data means huge data, we can easy to analyze the huge data. And next one, profitable decision making process. Let us take one example. I am taking here one example means customer based. Okay, in customer based, one business is there. In based upon that customer, we they will release one product. Okay, based on the, and take the information from data mining. Okay, next one, prediction of trends. Prediction of trends means nowadays sales are increasing, decreasing, like that are going. And take one example in iPhone, like you now you are using one mobile phone, previously we are using one smartphone, previously we are using one normal phone, like that trends are going like that. Okay, next, knowledge based information. For example, knowledge based information means, for example, I take one product, based on that knowledge I can purchase those products. Okay, without any knowledge, I can't purchase that product. That's why we can mine the that particular data, that is called knowledge based information. And profitable production. Profitable production means, if you have to purchase one product, and based on that customer, based on that businesses or owners can recognize how many customers will purchase our product, and like that by using data mining, they can product the profitable product. And cost effect. Next advantages, coming to next advantage, cost effective, time efficient, and effective prediction. Cost effective means, we can mine the data by using data mining, we can extract the data based on that cost. We can easily through online, we can easily purchase that product. Okay, that is the cost effect. Time efficient, by sitting only I can purchase the product without going to any market or without going to any groceries. Okay, that is time efficient. Here time will be saving. And effective prediction, and I can effectively predict the I want to know particular product, I am going to that product, that website, and can mine that about the product. And efficiently I can predict, oh, this product is very good product or very bad product. Based on that review I can purchase the product. That is called effective prediction. Okay, these are the advantages of data mining. First one, easy to analyze huge data at one go, and profitable decision making process, prediction of trends, knowledge based information, profitable products, and cost effective, time efficient, and effective prediction. These are the advantages of data mining. Coming to next topic, applications of data mining. Let us discuss. So many applications are there, but here I am explaining here insurance, education, banking, retail, e-commerce, entertainment, and healthcare. Okay, coming to insurance. In data mining helps insurance companies to price their products profitable. Okay, because in one insurance company is there, will helpful to improve their products profitable by using data mining tools. Okay, next, coming to education. Education here, educated to access student data. How to access the student data? By using some data mining tools. For example, one teacher is there, he want to know about that student data. What we do, he will just go to that particular website and search about that student. Okay, and student, and analyze also marks. Okay, he can analyze about that particular student performance by using data mining. Okay, next one, banking. Coming to banking, in bank and credit card companies use data mining tools to build financial fraud risk models. Okay, in bank also we are using data mining tools to improve, to predict financial risk models, like credit card or like that. In and credit card applications, in banking, one customer will be there, that manager think that his customer, based upon that customer approvals and loans, credit card scores, based upon that customer application, that manager will release that loan only. Okay, and retail. Coming to retail, okay, data mining helps retail mass and grocery stores identify and raise most sellable items. Okay, for based on that sellable items, that company or grocery store will increase those customer satisfactions and customer profits also by using data mining. Okay, next one, e-commerce. data mining to offer cross sales and upsells through their website. One example I take here, Amazon. Amazon using data mining tools to sell their products. Okay, and entertainment. Coming to entertainment, so data mining uses streaming services. Okay, to live the store and to upload and to download the videos or audios. In entertainment, data mining also helpful to us. And healthcare. In healthcare, data mining helps diagnose medical conditions of that particular patient and analyze the x-rays. Okay, like that, data mining will helpful in diagnose medical conditions and healthcare. Okay, these are the application. And first, applications of data mining, what are discussed in insurance, in education, in banking, in retail, in e-commerce, in healthcare, in streamings, in entertainment. Okay, next one. Next, coming to next, types of data. While we are mining the data, we have so many types of data are there. First, these are the types of data. Here I am explaining here. First one, flat files, relational database, transactional database, spatial database, data warehouse, multimedia database, time series database. This is, you know, already www means World Wide Web. Among these, you know, some topics about these types of database, because previously we have studied in database management system. We know flat files, relational database, and data warehouse, and multimedia database, and World Wide Web or internet. Okay, let us discuss about that. Flat files, let us see. Flat files. Flat files is defined as data files in text form or binary form. Okay, flat files are stored in no relationship, it has contains no relationship. For example, we have Word document, we can save dot like dot by using some name, we can save that, document. Those are the flat files. Okay, flat files is defined as data files in text form or binary form. Okay, let us see example here. I'm taking here example notepad. This is the flat file example. Okay, here I wrote order ID, customer ID, order date. This is about flat file. Okay, next one, relational data. Okay, relational data. Okay, relational data means we already studied in database management system. Okay, relational data contains store the data in the form of tables. Okay, in the form of tables, data can be stored. Here I take one example. The name, age, gender, city. Okay, name I take and age, gender, city. Here name, age, gender, city, these are the attributes, that means columns. Okay, and here these are the rows. This is called rows, also called as tuples. This is called relational data. We can represent in relational data columns as columns as attributes and rows as tuples. This is about relational data. And coming to next, data warehouse data. Okay, data warehouse data. Data warehouse means collection of different sources from collection of data from different sources. Okay, that is called data warehouse. It can act as repository. Okay, first one, here I took from different sources. Here data source in Chicago, data source in New York, data source in Toronto, data source in Vancouver. Okay, it has these data sources are stored in data warehouse, and it can, by using query and analysis tools, it can produce to clients. This is about data warehouse data. And coming to next data, transactional data. Okay, transactional data means based upon the transactions we can mine that data. Okay, here I took some example, transaction items, transaction IDs. Based on that items we can purchase. First one T1, here items bread, coke, milk. and T2 second transaction popcorn bread, and transaction 3 popcorn coke egg milk, and transaction 4 popcorn bread egg milk, and transaction 5 coke egg milk. These are the transaction. Based upon that transactions IDs we can explore the items. Okay, understand? This is called about transactional data. Transactional data means based upon the time stamps and transactional IDs data can be mined. Next, go to the next one. You know about multimedia database. You know already, because you know aware of this multimedia, because multimedia means animation, text, graphic, audio, video. This is about multimedia database. By using animation, text, graphic, audio, video, this is comes under multimedia database. Coming to next, spatial database. Okay, nowadays we are using Google Maps like that. When by based upon that location we are using Google Maps like that. That comes under spatial database. Spatial data means we can use maps and satellite images. Those are comes under spatial database. Okay, here I I wrote one example. Here polygon or label point, this is covers attributes in relational tables. This spatial database divided into two types: vector form, polygon form. Okay, coming to next one, world wide web. Okay, you know world wide web or internet. Nowadays we are using this internet or world wide web. In this world wide web we can use which type of data? Video, website, study, news, email, music. For example, here I am taking one example. If I can search about St. Peter's Engineering College. Okay, about the St. Peter's Engineering College I will get so many links, that particular college. Okay, that is called world wide web data. Okay, next one, time series database. Okay, based upon that time we can mine that data. For example, here date, week, sales. Here date, based upon the date and week I can these are the sales information. Okay, that is about time series database. Okay, okay, these are about types of data. First one, what? Flat files, relational database, transactional database, spatial database, data warehouse, multimedia database, time series database, and world wide web. Flat files means what? We can store the data in the form of documents. Okay, relational database means we can store the we can mine the data in the form of tables. Transactional database means we can mine the data based upon that transaction IDs. Spatial data means database means what? Based upon that maps, Google Maps, or images, or satellite images, we can mine that data. Data warehouse means it is the repository and we can collect the data from different sources. And multimedia database means what? We can mine the data about audio, video, like that. And time series database means we can mine the data based upon the time, year, date. And world wide web means based upon that links, HTML links, we can mine that data. Okay, thank you.